Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying to make this weird Japanese candy that I've never made before. It's like a little hamburger set, I think. I don't actually read Japanese, and this entire package is in Japanese, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it. Hopefully there's some English instructions, otherwise I don't know, hopefully I can figure it out. But I'm really excited. I've never made one before, and maybe it'll taste good. Before I begin, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to begin making this candy. Got like a little tab here to cut off the tape. Oh, very fancy box opening. Another box! So it does have, let's put this here, some instructions. And as predicted, they are in Japanese. They're all in Japanese. So in here, there are two trays, and there's blue and red dough. Oh, and yellow dough. So there's 3 little containers of dough, and I'm guessing this is like the candy. It's like not very malleable. It's just like hard, not really too squishy. A little bit. It feels like dried out Play-Doh. So number 1 is making the little bun. So I have to use yellow, red, blue, mixed brown. Why am I putting the container in the microwave? So I guess I have to microwave this at some point, and I don't know why. There's a warning on here, or something. I don't know what this says. It does not feel squishy. It doesn't feel like I can do anything with it. It tastes like dough. It doesn't taste like candy. I kind of regret licking it as well. It does kind of squish a little bit. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I guess if I just like warm it up with my hands a bit, it starts squishing. I don't know how much of this I need. I don't think I need that much. Just like, is there a guide? No. Squish it all together, and hopefully this is going to make some kind of burger color. It's becoming kind of purpley. I've never seen a burger bun that's purpley before. This is like the ugliest burger bun ever. I would not eat a burger that looks like this. Gosh, this is taking forever. Okay, well, I guess if I leave it like this looks like what should be like the burger patty color. Maybe if I save this and use it for the burger patty, let's try the patty. So this is the little patty container right here. So I think I just put this in like that. Mold it, and then I've got this one here, and these close together. So you close it, and this is not closing very well. Let's see. Oh, there we go. That does look like a little burger patty, so that's the right color for that. No mistakes at all. I totally meant to do this. I was trying to make the burger patty the whole time. It got a little bit damaged, but it's not too bad. I think that looks pretty much like a mini burger patty. I'm not gonna taste that again. That tasted nasty last time. Okay, so I'm gonna try and make the fries next, because the fries you need a lot of yellow for, and I wanna make sure I have enough. I'm just gonna warm this up in my hands a bit. Squish it around. Who makes candy that doesn't taste good? It tastes like Play-Doh. What if this isn't even candy? What if it is just Play-Doh? I don't know. I got it at a candy store, so I assumed that it was candy. Okay, squished enough. Now I'm gonna put it in here and try and get it to fill the whole area. And then more squishing. Squish, squish, squishing, squish, squish, squish. Oh, look, see, that worked really well. You could just peel the little extra part off. Okay, that looks okay. And then I think you cut out, for the fries, this little, I think you cut out this little burger shop thing right here. And it's like a little like McDonald's carton, except for Burger Shop carton. Work. This is full on arts and crafts right here. Like, I feel like in the time that it takes me to make these fries, I could have just made actual fries for eating purposes. Why are these instructions in Japanese? Well, I know I'm just like completely ruining this. I don't know. Okay, yeah. I am definitely gonna need tape for this. So I didn't find any clear tape, but I did find this bunny sparkly tape dispenser that has silver tape, which I think is more stylish anyway, so I'm just gonna go with it. This is really sticky for like H&M tape. So I'm gonna try and tape it from the inside so that you can't see the tape. Let's see, I'm just gonna take this tape and try and put it in here. Alright, that looks okay-ish. Maybe there's some tin foil in there or something, I don't know. I've never worked at Burger Shop before. See, Burger Shop is a high quality establishment. They don't just put their fries in a cardboard container. They go all out with the foil. So the fries go in here, and I officially have my very first Burger Shop fries. Don't actually eat them though, they don't taste good. Not like real fries. So I'll just set those aside and continue on with my burger. Okay, so burger needs buns now, which is where I failed last time. So I'm gonna take the yellow. You know, I'll start small. Try not to waste it. So if I fail this time, then I'm gonna be out. It's just gonna be permanently failed forever. Alright, now I'm just gonna add the tiniest bit of blue and the tiniest bit of red. SpongeBob people, if you're listening, whoever creates SpongeBob merch, you should make Krabby Patty version of this. I would buy that. Also, you should make it actually taste like a Krabby Patty. I think if I got a burger bun that was this color, I wouldn't be completely disgusted, which is basically what we're going for here, I think, is just not completely disgusting. Squish, squish. Now we have to make a little tomato. There's a little tomato picture. There we go, tomato. Yay. And then in the picture of the little burger here, it looks like they put some like cheese and some lettuce on it. So I'm gonna do it too because I want mine to look just like the picture. Absolutely perfect. So the cheese looks easy because you can just take the yellow and like squish it flat. And I'm gonna cut it to be kind of square shaped. And that can go on the bottom bun. That'll go like that. Oh, actually, in the picture, it goes underneath the tomato. So it goes tomato, then cheese, then burger, and then to make the lettuce, you need some yellow and you need some blue. So lettuce goes on the bottom. Look at me, I'm a regular old chef, cooking up some delicious burger. Yum, doesn't that just look so good? Just want to eat that up like a regular burger. Now you got fries, burger. Oh, I've got little sesame seeds. Now it's perfect. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. On to the shake. So in order to make the shake, it's made mostly out of the blue. I wonder what flavor of shake this is, if it's blue. Blueberry milkshake, I guess. I like chocolate milkshakes. Or it could be an icy, like one of those blue raspberry ices that you get at the movie theaters. I love those so much. And one time, I wanted to get a souvenir cup icy, but they're like huge, they're so big, and it was for like the Hobbit or something. So I was like, oh, I'm not gonna drink the whole thing, I just want the cup. So I went and I bought the giant blue icy cup, and it was like literally like bigger than my head. It was the biggest icy ever, and I accidentally drank the entire thing, and I was so sick, and I was like, it was one of the biggest regrets ever that I've had. I was so sick. Do not drink that much blue icy. It is not good for your body. Okay, I definitely used too much blue here. I am Hulk. This looks terrible. Okay, here we go. It's our blue icy. And then it needs a straw. And then you're supposed to put a little hole in this. But I'm just gonna stick it right on top here. Like that. It's a little bendy straw. And then we just need to cut out the wrapper. Totally professional, totally legit. Look at that. I have my little burger meal. Looks so delicious. I'm gonna eat this all. Don't actually eat it. This literally smells like Play-Doh. It tastes like Play-Doh. I don't know if it's food or not. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a like. Please subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you thought. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!